yan pare. Pero yung pinakakilala tsaka pinakalagi ko nakikita dito si MJ Lopez pare. Kaso ang problema, gumawa siya ng video na hindi na daw siya connected sa sitaw noong December 2023 pa. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Ito, panoorin niyo siya.
And I just want to be extremely clear with you guys that I'm not connected with Sitaw anymore. Uulitin ko, I'm not connected with them. Now, way back, I was promoting them, but I'm not directly connected to the company. I was simply promoting them in our videos. And I don't have anything negative to say about them. Gusto ko lang linawin na simula pa nung December 2023, we are not connected with Sitaw anymore. We noticed a lot of people are still using my name, using our videos, using my picture.
Ang tanong dyan, paano yung mga na-recruit ng mga nag-promote ng sitaw? Pag ba nag-announce sila na hindi na sila connected sa sitaw tapos nagsara after a month or after ilang months yung sitaw, wala na silang obligation sa mga tao na